Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am taking class 6th and the chapter we are doing is mensuration. Mensuration में 10.1 कर रहे हैं हम and we are doing today question number 11. Before that till 10th question I have already uploaded. आप उसको ज़रूर देखिए and understand the questions with Anuradha Online Classes. Subscribe, like and share my channel so that it can be reached to maximum children. Okay, let's see here. The question is question number 11. A piece of string, एक string है, string means एक wire है and that is 30 centimeter long. उसकी length कितनी दी हुई है? 30 centimeter. What will be the length of each side is used to form. अब पूछा है उसकी हर एक साइड का लेंथ कितना होगा, right? Firstly, we have bent that, we have formed that a square. We have formed that a square. We don't know what is the side. This is A. We don't know the side. Side we are taking A. Now, we know that perimeter. Perimeter of square. What is perimeter of square? That formula we have already done, that is 4 into side. Or we can write 4a as we have taken here side what? A. So 4 into a I have written. A we don't know but perimeter we know. Perimeter is the total length. String तो एक ही है, string की length तो same होगी. इसी string को हमने square shape का बनाया. That means perimeter is what? 30. And this is 4 into side या 4a लिख लेते हैं. तो what is the side? Side is equal to 30 divided by 4. Why? Because 4 is here multiplying. जब ये इधर आएगा तो ये divide हो जाएगा. It will go by 4 7s are 28 and 5s are 20.5. Okay. So here is your side, that is 7.5 centimeter. Okay children, in this way we have find out the length of one side of a square, that will be 7.5 centimeters. Now, अब उस string को हमने एक equilateral triangle बना दिया. Equilateral triangle क्या होता है? जिसकी तीनों sides equal होती हैं. So what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. Right? 3 into side. Perimeter you know. Perimeter string की length तो same है. उसी string को हमने triangular shape बनाया and equilateral triangle बनाया. That means we are having length perimeter what? 30 centimeter. Write down centimeter. Then 3 into side. That means side is equal to, you can write side this side. No problem in that. 30 divided by, here 3 is multiplying. That means when it will go to another side, it will get divided. This is what? 10. So, we got the side equals to 10 centimeter. One of the side of equilateral triangle is 10 centimeter. Now, let us come to regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6 side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. In all the sides equal, that is regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means 6-sided, equal-sided figure. Okay, 6 equal-sided polygon is regular hexagon. अब इसकी भी length तो same होगी, perimeter. So what you have to find out? What is the one side of the regular hexagon? Means what is the length of one side of regular hexagon? कैसे निकालेंगे? In the same way, perimeter of regular hexagon. Regular hexagon equals to what? 6 into side. 6 into side. What is the perimeter? You know, perimeter is how much? 30. So, 30 equals to 6 into side. That means side is equal to कितना हो जाएगा बच्चों? That will be 30 divided by 6. 6 5s are 30. So, what is our one side? That is 5. Sorry, it is 5 centimeter. Means each side of the each side of the regular hexagon is what? 5 centimeter. Here we have find out side is 10 centimeter. And here this is 7.5 centimeter. So in this way you have to do question number 11. Let's come to question 12. Let's come to 12th question. Two sides of triangle. One triangle is given and that is having two sides. Given sides है आपकी 12 centimeter and another side is 14 centimeter. Always this is the way to do the question कि आपको जब भी कोई भी इस तरह का question दिया हो आप फिगर फटाफट उसको बनाएं. Just make a triangle. Whatever is given, just write down there. Then find out हमें क्या निकालना है. One more thing is given that perimeter is given to you. How much it is? 36 centimeter. You have to find out the third side. Now how you will find out? See children. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of its three sides. Right? Now what is the perimeter? You know what is the perimeter? That is 36 centimeter. Now sum of all its sides. Well, first side is given 12 centimeter. Second side is given 14 centimeter. Third side we don't know. Suppose let it be x. तो plus x. आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कि let the third side be x. हमने थर्ड साइड क्या ले लिया? x ले लिया. तो 36 centimeter is the total length equals to sum of all its sides. Okay. Let's come to the next one. That is this is 36 centimeter plus ये दोनों को प्लस करोगे आप. What will be? It will be 6 and 2 26 centimeter plus x. Now see children, here x will be here only. Because we have to find out this, इसको हम इधर भेज देंगे. It will be 36 centimeter minus 26 centimeter. That is our x. That is the third side. What it is? 36 में से 26 गया. What will be left? That is 10 centimeter. So what is the value of x? X is 10 centimeter. Right? This is your answer. Means the third side. Let's come to the next question. Look here children, here is another question, that is question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a square. Cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter. एक square park है, right? इसको हमें fence करना है. Okay, this you have to fence and what is given? इसकी एक साइड आपको पता है, it is 250 meter. Okay. At the rate of okay, the cost of fencing. इसको फेंस करने की कॉस्ट आपको बता रखी है. That 1 meter means to fence 1 meter. To fence 1 meter या cost of fence आप लिख लीजिए यहाँ पे. Cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to कितना? That is 20 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees. Right? This is given to you. आपको बताना है कि टोटल उसको पूरा फेंस करने में कितना कॉस्ट आएगा. That means firstly we should know what is the perimeter. हमें टोटल लेंथ पता होनी चाहिए. उसके बाद हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि 1 मीटर इतने रुपीस का है तो दैट मच मीटर कितने रुपीस का होगा. Okay, so firstly what we have to find out, what is the total length. That means what is the perimeter of square park. What is the perimeter of square park? That is 4 into side. We know the side, that is 4 into 250 meter. So this is equal to 25, 4 is 100 and one more 0, that is 1000. 1000 meter is the total perimeter, is the perimeter of square park. अब 1 meter cost है 20. That means cost of fencing हाउ मच 1000 मीटर इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा 1000 में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे हम ₹20 को तो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट 20,000 ₹20,000. What is the cost of fencing 1000 meter? That is ₹20,000. Okay children, so in this way we have completed question number 13. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new questions. Be with me in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.